this one here.
Why?
We don't want to hit that. Bloody put wheel out like.
Yeah, I know. I saw that one. Yeah, the big hole.
You got to put one wheel on the line.
Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon. 12:38 na. And today is the first day of August. And of course, late nyo ito mapapanood. And, yep, may lakad ulit kami ni Sir. And then after ng lakad namin, pupunta kami sa school kasi nag-email yung school sa amin. Today, may school assembly sila, Zach. And kailangan raw namin pumunta kasi may award si Zach. Ang galing ng Saki boy natin. Hindi lang siya sa sports, nag-excel pati sa academics. So, punta tayo. And si Zach, ayaw niya sana. Ayaw niya, sabi niya, ayaw niya rin mag-attend. Ayaw ni Zach ng mga ganyan-ganyan na tatawagin yung pangalan mo tapos pupunta ka sa harapan sa daming estudyante. Tapos, bibigyan ka ng, alam mo yun, parang certificate, gano'n. Ayaw ni Zach sana. Sabi ko, hindi. You should be proud. Kasi, makaka-proud ka dahil hindi lang sa sports ikaw nag-excel pati sa academics. So, kaya kayo pupunta rin doon after ng aming meeting, lakad, basta. Yeah. And tomorrow, alis tayo after ng game ni Kuya. Si Zach kasi hindi maglalaro bukas. Kasi yun yung, yung sabi ng coaches sa state na dapat wag na maglaro or mag-training yung mga bata for 2 weeks. Well, si Zach hindi yun sinunod. Naglaro pa rin siya last weekend. And then nag-training siya ngayong Tuesday, pero Thursday hindi na pina-training ni John kasi twice ang training dito sa foodie club. So, kahapon hindi siya nag-training. And kanina, sinabihan din namin siya kasi naglalaro pa rin siya ng footy sa school. Sinasabihan namin siya lagi na mag-ingat ka kasi malapit ng championship. Bukas na tayo lilipat papuntang Queensland para nga sa championship. So, yun yung ating ganap tomorrow after ng game. So, yung vlog ko, hindi ako masyado nag-vlog after ng Adelaide namin. So, makikita nyo iba-ibang dates. Tapos, after nito, yung bukas na ganap namin. So, i-continue natin to bukas. Bye! Ang dami namin ginagawa, guys. Dami namin ganap every day. So, but, yeah, we're happy. Right, back? Yeah, we're happy. And then, straight ko na yung buhok ko. Pinaliguan ko na siya para bukas kasi maaga kami bukas aalis eh. So, after ng game, diretso na kami. Diretso na tayo magbiyahe. Papunta sa airport para mag-catch ng plane. Okay, guys. And gamit ko pala na sa lips is yung Absidy. Maganda siya, guys. Glossy lang siya. Pala kami sa aming lakad. Tapos na kami mag-contract signing. Contract signing, yung artista. So ngayon papunta na kami sa school para sa assembly. Mga bata nasa labas. And si Jan kumakain pala siya ng ham and cheese sandwich. Ito gustong gusto ko tong etong nila driveway, yung papuno sa both side. Ang ganda, di ba? Sabi ng kapatid ko, ang gandang ganyan ate. Gustong gusto niya rin to kasi one time ka-FaceTime ko siya and hinarap ko sa kanya to, yung camera. Ang gustong gusto niya. Ang ganda kasi, tingnan niya. So, yeah. 2:00 yung ni Saki, yung assembly. 2 o'clock. And then, akala niya dyan 2:30. Naglibot-libot pa kami. May pinuntahan pa kami. Nakakuha pa siya ng, pagkain. Tapos buti na yung chinek niya 2 o'clock. So, may 5 minutes pa kaya yan. Dahil siyang kumakain. And, yeah. Natapos namin yung mga lakad namin. Do you think Colin will be there? Or, kasi hindi halo. Kay kuya kasi iba din. Kasi last year, si Zach din may award din siya. Si Zach laging may award dito sa school na to. Sports and academics. Matalino to si Zach eh. Kahit hindi yan masyadong nag-aaral sa bahay, guys. Hindi yan para. Alam mo yun, sa atin to, sa ating basa-basa. Mag-aano siya ng homework niya. Kaya minsan, pag pinapatawad kami sa school, nagugulat na lang kami na ang taas ng grade niya. Tapos, nag-excel talaga siya. Tapos ngayon, kahapon, nakatanggap kami ng email na mag-attend daw kami kasi nga si Zach may award aside sa sports. which is the academics. So, guys. And pagdating ko sa bahay, mag-i-impake ako. Well, na-set aside ko na yung mga damit ko tsaka kay Holly. Ilalagay na lang sila sa luggage. San yung iba gusto kong planchahin. Okay. Ganda ng ngayon weather. Hindi ganun kalamig.
That's after school.
After school, okay.
It's not after school.
Huh?
2 o'clock.
No, like after lunch.
After lunch,
It's
yeah.
2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Thanks, students have been chosen to consistent with the bowing.
What's class? Zach Howard. Well done, Zach. Mr. Locke has noticed that you've been approaching your learning with diligence, persistence, curiosity, especially science. Well done. Congratulations, Casey, on receiving this week's Student School Award from Mrs. Ransom. Great. Good. Good? Yeah. Wonderful to see dedication to your learning, Harry, especially with your fantastic effort in mathematics.
I'm on. You better tell me what.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever.
Habang inaayos ko yung gamit namin siya, mag-movie night. Kasama yung kanyang ka-football team.
Netball.
Sorry, netball. Ayan na pala yung mga na-impake natin. Ayan yung sa boys. Ayan yung akin. Then, kay Jen dito. Tapos, isisingit ko yung kay Holly doon para dalawa lang yung i-checkin namin ng luggage. Tapos na po ako mag-impake ngayon. Magbe-bake ako ng banana bread kasi para di masayang yung bananas namin. Meron ako ditong 7. So, ang ginawa ko, ayan, isang chocolate and isang may nuts. Walnuts and pistachio nuts. Ayan, nadurog ko na yan. Kasi yung mga bata, mas gusto nila yung plain lang. And this time pala, nilagyan ko ng chocolate yung Easter eggs. Kasi mayroon pa kami. Ayan, nilagay ko to. And maglalagay din ako dito kasi nagtira ako dyan na 3. Ito marami. So, yan lang guys. See you later or tomorrow. Okay, ito yung isang paglalagyan natin ng ating banana bread.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met.
Ayan, 6:45 na. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Maya-maya gisingin na yan ni Jan. Sila. Ayan. And chocolate. Ito na yung ibang na slice. Binabalot natin sa cling wrap. And siya, ano yung akin. Si Jan nag-impake na ng kanyang damit. Siya na lang ang hindi pa ka-impake ng damit niya. Kasi kahapon may ginawa rin siya at kagabi. But yes. Makakalis tayo on time. Tapos na ako magbalot. And tapos na rin si Jan mag-impake. And ayan yung may nuts. And ito yung walang nuts. Ayan. So may pang bound tayo.
Hustling girl, we wear the crowns. We made a world for each other. Running, we ain't been slowed down. Been winning, but lost time together. We got the golden, baby, I'm so proud. Realizing.
Good morning guys. Hindi ko nadala yung lens. Hindi nyo makita si Jan. Kasi na muna natin tong shade. So, pupunta tayo ng Calangado. Doon ang laro. Then, babalik pa pala kami sa bahay. Akala ko dire-diretso na kami. So, nagmadali pa naman ako. Kasi maliligaw pa yung mga bata. Well, si Sak hindi maglalaro. Calangado. Si Sak hindi siya maglalaro. Nabanggit ko na yan sa inyo. Si Kuya lang yung maglalaro. Then after ni Holly at saka ni Kuya maglaro. Uwi agad tayo. Say good morning everyone, people.
Morning.
Good morning.
Daddy.
Sparrow, babe, it's not
No.
moving.
Not moving.
Ah, okay, sorry.
What's moving?
Nothing.
It's not moving
So
the car.
that's 2 punches.
No, Mum didn't even punch anyone though.
Kasi parang
Right.
lumaki sila,
It is
lumaki
moving. Look.
sila dyan sa larong yan, Sparrow. Pag hindi gumalaw yung yellow car, kahit nakikita ka hindi yan counted, dapat gumagalaw. Umaandar pa. So there's a lot here, Han. No?
Shit town.
Grabe man siya maka-okray
Who's
sa
that?
town.
That's Michelle Moore.
Is it? Millicent. Going there. Eto Kalanga do. Yan, ang dami pala. Hindi ko alam. Yan, na-record ko. Ang daming nagja-jump pero hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Yung kangaroos. Look at daan. See? Kangaroos. As in, sunod sila. Mayroon kaming car na nasa harapan.
What's that?
So, nagdahan-dahan sa Sakai's phone. Ayan na tayo. Kalanga do. What? Ah.
Thursday.
Okay, bayad na naman tayo.
Oh my god, it's finally cut.
Some or two, but yeah, but always.
Yan.
Shoot at
Meron kasi.
something. I can really use a wish right
What
now.
she's doing? What she's doing? It's cold on. You said it's not gonna be.
Ah, it's bloody beautiful out there.
Naka-jacket ka nga eh. Pag ganyan. Ay, ang bango ng ating banana bread.
Did you make that
Yes, my love.
without me?
You were asleep when I made that one.
Bob? Not so bad.
Yeah, go you are. There you go, mate.
Good, thanks. Two,
Just
please.
the two, thank you.
Thank
Might
you.
grab a roll budget or two, yeah.
Thank you very much.
No worries,
Thank
thank
Good on
you.
you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bloody beautiful, Bob. Just got to stand in the sun.
You going?
Hey?
You're on.
I'm just going to park here because I'm going after the footy. After the journey, we're going to go to Queens. Yeah. Got all the jackets and long pants ready, Bob.
Oh, we're just gonna park here.
Go back a bit.
Oh, we're in the post, hon.
Alright, so
See you, good luck.
Yeah, hope
Si Kuya na
no one hits his
maglalaro.
car, I'll be spewing.
Malapit tayo sa post.
Alright, say bye.
What do you
See
take
ya, good
shortcut?
luck, Kuya. Baba, ano na
You
ikaw?
take the Tarpana.
Alright, see you later, guys. Good luck.
Thanks, Mum.
We're going.
Get 3
I
goals.
know
Get
that.
Oh yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully I'm go.
Are you? I think you're
I
gonna
want to be
go.
goal shooter.
Goal. Gusto niya kasi ang galing ni Holly. Galing siya mag
I need to be goal
mag-estimate.
shooter so I can go.
Which one you like, Baba? This one or this one? Ah, maybe you can bring this one. Try. Or this one, you can try this one. It's too big for you, or you can have this
Yeah.
one. This one.
Yeah. That's good.
That's tighter? Okay. So, we're gonna bring this one. Wish, hindi ko mahanap yung kanyang mga, ito kasi, kung saan nilalagay yung shades. Nasa car siguro ni daddy niya yung,
Mom, I'm gonna go try.
okay, see you.
You coming?
Yeah, I'm going now. Alright, see you guys. Drive na ulit tayo pauwi. Kasi tapos na yung game. Talo sila Holly, si Kuya, panalo sila. 74 ang score nila, then 1 sa kalaban. Naka 14 goals sila yung sila Kuya. And si Kuya naka 4 na goal. Well done. Are you best player, Kuya? No?
not today.
Not today. Hindi siya best player today. Si Sak hindi nag-play. So, maliligo lang si Kuya and balik ulit tayo sa car. Ilo-load lang yung mga luggage and back to the car and drive for 4 hours or 5? 4? Yeah, 4 kasi magpa-flight tayo sa Avalon
Have you seen where we're staying?
before Melbourne. So instead of Melbourne, before Melbourne kami magka-catch ng flight.
Get our own rooms.
Why?
Dad, did you like that mark I took though?
Yeah.
Oh.
Spill and you didn't bloody get
I know.
freaking sick.
But you done well
I
though,
didn't even get
Kuya.
points.
Yeah, I know.
But you
I
done
could get
well.
5. I always get robbed.
Grabe yung mga takilang kasi, yung mga pagtako. Pero they done well. 14 goals and then sa kalaban, wala silang goal. 1 point lang sila. They only get 1 point, huh? Kalangado. But they're good in netball, the girls. Have you seen Holly?
Yeah.
You don't even score, so no one.
Yes.
No, she's good. But the other team, malalaki kasi. Pero magagaling naman, magaling sila mag-defense. Si Holly's so quick, huh? You can tell like
Mom,
she's.
when Maya threw that hard ball at me,
Yeah, that was
I
that.
went back.
That was good. Yeah, she jumped on to catch
I
that
went
ball.
like that and then
Yeah. No, she's not scared. She done well.
So that was
Ayan na yung ating mga baggage. Dala namin yung car ni Jan.
I'll check everything.
Alright. Make sure it's locked. Everything, please. Nala ko na pero pinapacheck ko lagi sa kanya. But all good. Punta lang kami sa farm para i-shut yung gate. And yung ating gamit sa ating lips is itong Absidy. Kasi di natin itong mabasa guys. Kasi, ayun, ang liit. Yan ang kulay niya. Shut lang yung gate.
A bit old looking there.
Okay, go shut it,
Why is
Zaki
it
boy.
Oh, it's decoration.
Isak mag... Sara.
Decoration.
Decoration. Look at.
You probably don't even know how to do it.
He knows.
It's done it that many times.
Go round, then round. Now you know.
I haven't done it for like years.
Yeah,
Oh,
And
jeez.
it's still not.
it's true. Haven't done it for a long time. Punta na tayo sa other side of Geelong, right, hon? Yes, other side of Geelong. In Avalon. Ayan, kita na ang lahat. Gamit ni Holly yung backpack niya, yung nabili natin sa Yam. Queensland.
I've got. This is what I packed in my bag.
Can't see you, Papa, I think. Well, I'll have to zoom in. There you go. Oh, wait, I have to lower it a bit. Oh,
Oh my god. So
alright.
I packed Mushi. I always bring Mushi with me everywhere, however far it goes. Then I bring my Thomas Squishy.
Dad, some people are going from Adelaide to Queensland.
Yeah, I know. Well, look,
Yeah.
And I packed my
we can go. We're lucky we can go from here.
Yeah.
So I have my 4 Thomas Squishy, my Kakibari Thomas Squishy. I got Caribara and my Squinky. And I've got Sour Patch Kids, my Molly.
That was Vicky from
You got Mickey yet?
the exact left from
Oh.
And I bring my Sol de Janeiro, 59. And I bring my skincare. I bring my face wash one. And I also bring these for my arms and this one for my head. And then I packed the cream one. And I packed
Hindi ko alam, dyan niya pala yan linagay. Akala ko linagay yan sa malaking luggage. I thought you put it in the luggage, Baba. I hope it's not 100
Oh.
Wow.
Toss it.
ml, it's alright.
Sunscreen.
Yeah, it's alright. 50 ml. It's alright,
What
that
about
one.
your perfume?
No, it's alright. That's not much left.
What about mine?
Yours is in the big luggage, huh?
Okay, don't even say.
And I packed the SPF 30 sunscreen. This one came with this.
Yeah.
Deodorant's not in your
It's in the luggage.
And in this one, in this little pouch.
Oh, like taste
Yeah, you're not
I
allowed to.
bring-
Wow.
I bring lots of lip balm. I got my Summer Friday puppy one. This one makes your lips already glossy. I bring my sunscreen one for my lips. Sun balm. I bring
You can use that too,
I
so
bring
you're
an
gonna get.
extra hair tie. Oh, and this one's scented. It's watermelon.
Yeah. You can use that one, sir. When you play, if it's hot, so you're not gonna burn your lips. And make sure that sunscreen stick always in your bag, okay, sir?
And I bring the hair tie just in case this one breaks. I bring this one, the honey balm with the little stick. And
Applicator.
yeah, that's how much I use. I bring this wash.
Alright, tapos na siya. Ito, kumakain si Jan. Are you done, Han? One more? Kuya. Thank you. Yeah, just follow your side. Alright. How many hours? 4.5, right, honey? 4? 4.5 kasi pa-Melbourne is 5. So, yeah. 4.5 drive. Time is, what time is it? Yeah. 12:30? 1:20, 2:20, 3:20, 4:20, 5:20.
got out of them half an hour. It's nearly 2 o'clock.
So 2, almost 2, kasi Victoria, yun iba yung oras nila. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5 hours. 6.5 hours. 6:40 tayo darating doon. Ang flight is 8 o'clock, ha? 8:30. 8:30 yung flight namin. And then 3 hours flight. Oh my God. Ano na kayo? Madaling araw na kayo makakarating doon. Okay, we're good? Okay.
I'm good. I'm playing with my toys.
Philippine Airlines, nilagyan ko siya ng aking lipstick.
Hustling girl, we wear the crowns. We made a world for each other. Running, we ain't been slowed down. Been winning, but lost time together. We got the golden baby.
Pwede mag-drive doon, oh. Backyard. Parang ang ganda. Hindi, maganda talaga siya. Pero hindi natin alam paano nandun sa taas.
it.
5:38 na. Dumidilim na. Yung mga bata naglalaro lang sila dyan. Kanina pa sila.
When hunger hits and you need a quick flavor fix,
Now you're
that Fortune flavor plus a little chili kick if you want. Easy, delicious, and only
30 minutes na lang daw.
29 till the end.
And 20.
Fine. Is there any servos on the way, TJ?
Huh?
Any servos on the way?
30 minutes. 20 minutes to the airport.
Clinkers. I want those clinkers. You know the clinkers? Gosh.
What's that? Ang ganda ng sky mo. Ganda ng kulay.
Who's winning yan?
Si Kuya, nag-search siya kung saan ka makakuha ng pagkain. Meron daw malapit na gasolina na merong Macas and Red Rooster. Baba, it's not gonna be hot when you go out.
You gotta jump above.
Yeah, put your jumper now.
Not now, she's hot.
Ah, alright. Naka-heater kasi kami. Malamig sa labas. But kanina, ang ganda ng weather. Walang wind. Malamig, pero may araw. So maganda. Hindi ka, mainitan, hindi ka naman lalamigin. Yeah.
I'm ready.
Avalon, 17 kilometers. Yep.
How far is this?
How far daw, kuya?
Rizla.
Kuya, how far are we, kuya? Service center. Nandito na tayo.
What you say? Red Rooster?
Where's the Red Rooster, kuya?
Red Rooster,
Oh, yeah.
Subway, and
McDonald's.
I want to get a bit of Subway.
You want Subway?
I want a Subway with a cookie.
Yeah, Subway there.
I want Subway with a cookie.
What are you gonna have, hon? McDonald's?
I'm having Red Rooster.
What are you having at Red Rooster?
Is it good? Is it good?
Nah, maybe not. Not today.
Okay, ayun yung petrol.
Oh, is this?
Hi,
It's not bad out here, Mom.
Okay. Okay, come on.
Mom, over here.
Where are you going?
Mate, what are you having?
I'm
Si
getting
Sak gusto
Subway
niya.
as well, Mom, to get 2 cookies.
Alright. What are you gonna have for dinner?
Red Rooster. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get for her. Mommy, no.
What do you want, Sak? Come on. So, dito tayo kakain. Si Jan, in-orderan niya na ako ng 5 chicken wings, yung buffalo chicken wings, and cheeseburger. Si Sak tsaka si Holly dun sila sa Red Rooster. Hinihintay na lang ni Holly. Ni Sak. What? Ayan na yung cheesy nugget. Ayan.
What'd you get? Holy, I didn't know what
That's look nice, ah.
is that?
That's just another food.
No, pineapple.
Wait, what?
Pineapple
Tender?
chicken tender. Parang KFC lang. May pineapple lang.
There's no cheese in it.
That's cheesy. That's cheese. That's the one under cheese. Hinahanap niya yung cheese. Siyempre, hindi naman bonggang-bonggang cheese talaga. Lumipat siya. Ilayo natin to para kita tayong lahat. First one.
We got you 2 piece chicken wings. No, I got you first. No, I got you 5 piece.
Eat first.
Spicy buffalo.
I'm good. Layo.
Hustling girl, we wear the crowns. We made a world for each other. Running, we ain't been slowed down. Been winning, but lost time together. We got the golden, baby, I'm so proud. Realizing all we've been dreaming. But listen, I don't wanna share you now. A little time is all that I'm needing. Only you and me, baby. Don't want nothing coming in between, baby. Everyone.
Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Holly,
They gave us 3 cookies for free. She was like, "Hi, kitty."
yeah, hindi, bibili siya. Nandun na siya.
Cookie.
Kila ni Sak. Tapos binigay na lang sa kanilang free. Paubos na rin naman kasi. Pero meron pa. No, I'm good, thank you.
Want this cookie?
And Sak, what you got?
Clinkers. You got 2 of them.
Oh, gusto nila yan. Masarap siya,
My mum
actually.
got 2.
Yeah, can I have one? I wish I can get the pink one.
This one's lucky.
Surprise siya kung
That
anong
one's
flavor.
lucky.
Is it lucky? You think?
Trust me. What I say?
No, green! Masarap siya, pero yung pink ang the best. Okay. 14 minutes to airport. Busog na ang lahat? Okay na?
I don't think you can drink
Ang
that.
lamig na dalawa. Holly, put your jumper, ha? Kinagat ni Sak o binigay niya sa akin. Nakuha siyang plate, binigay niya sa akin. Thank you, Sak. I'm eating chocolate again.
Cookies?
No, I'm good, Baba.
Brain's the worst.
Yeah, that's the one I got.
How many packs of cookies?
But it's alright. It's not the best. That is okay. But pink is the best. It's alright. It's not the best, but it's okay. Okay? What's that, pink? No, that's enough now. Not thank you. Binibigyan niya pa. I still have one. I'm alright now, thank you.
There's one there as well, Dad. There's two of them.
Yeah, that one.
Nakara.
Somewhere there. Papasok na tayo sa airport.
And then you have to pay for it.
Yeah. When you gonna pay?
Done already.
Ah, you done already? Kasi may bayad yung parking dito.
Avalon.
Avalon Airport. Ayan.
But I thought it was
Any cars coming?
No, you're good here.
good. I thought it was
It's like confused.
I was just going.
Yeah, airport. Tayo sa Value Long
Sure,
Stay Parking.
Recognise.
Our plate number. Plate number 22.
Let's go around that.
No, it's gonna open, I think. Pre-booking only. Scan lang yung barcode.
Where?
Yeah, there, on top of the screen. That one there, huh?
Have you done this before, Dad?
Sa kabila.
I reckon.
What?
reckon.
What? Oh, what are you doing?
I don't reckon we're in this one.
Why? Avalon Airport long stay parking, you said? Daw yan. Kaya hindi nag-scan. So, tingin tayo dito.
We're meant to be in this one.
Inside?
Because
Because what?
Sea Valley long-term parking.
So, there's how many long-term parking?
What's this one?
Another terminal parking.
It's your check. You can try. That's terminal.
No, that's rental.
Terminal.
Terminal. Watch out.
What about that?
Was there one over there?
Yeah. Yeah, here. There's no scan.
No, you go take that.
No, this is car rental.
We should have went in there.
Yeah. This one here. Exit. Okay. No, that's
What's
exit.
that other car?
This one, Bali long stay.
So we've got to go back around again.
Oh. Layo ng inikutan namin. Nagpay daw siya ng extra para mas malapit sa airport. Sa gate ba? So, umikot kami doon. Nakita yung madilim doon kami galing kasi doon yung exit. So, ang layo ng
Under the
inikutan
bump,
namin.
Dad?
Yes, there's a bump here, Hana. Yung isa din hindi rin makapasok o nag-atras din siya. Hindi maskan ang bar. So, try this 100. That's not working. Hope this one will work. Okay. Yeah, you're good, Han. Oh, see, babe? Hindi na kailangan
You're good now.
hindi na kailangan mag-scan ng
use cards.
barcode kasi ano na yun, nakita na
But
yung
everyone else does it
plate
too.
number.
Right there.
Naka-register na yung
Right
number.
on your right. Look.
So, mas malapit tayo sa
We're gonna try somewhere else.
airport.
Nah, that'll do. Just do it. That'll do because look, we're close.
Yeah, we're close.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're close. Don't miss this one. Ayan yung airport.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Darling, hold my hand. Nothing beats a jet to holiday.
You got a good spot in the bag?
Yeah.
In their photo.
Hmm? Nakapag-check-in na tayo online.
Please note,
that any item of baggage or personal belongings must not be left unattended at any time. Any unattended items will be
This is mine. We only have 2. But Daddy pay for you as well, just in case. Okay, so we're only trying to...
Where do I stick that?
Put it
There.
on the side, probably.
Just put it here.
Is it white, Mom?
Sandbag,
Sandbag.
sandbag. Okay, you're next.
Crap, Dad, it fell. That's all I'm here.
Yeah, we're still alright. Baba, what is in your bag? Yours is too long. Come on. Just go in this side. Here. Sit in here. Go side. Okay, I think it's delayed
It's delayed.
already.
Open, mushy.
Gate 2 kami. Dalawa lang naman yung gate. Ito yung gate 1 dito. Ito yung gate
Where's that?
2. Lumabas si Jan tsaka si Kuya. No, just put it in your bag, babe.
I don't know space. It's Koizak's charges.
Kuya teacher, Kuya sa.
Koizak's.
Anong oras na ba? 7:27. I know, it's flat. I need to charge it later. Boarding na tayo. 2 hours daw ang flight.
Mom, if it's downloaded and I put it in airplane mode, can I still watch? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Ang laki ng plane natin. Doon yung tatlong boys. Kami dito ni Holly. I hope so. I hope no one's here. Twinning kami ni pala ni Holly. Yeah. You're right about
Welcome on board your
What time
Jetstar
now?
flight. To help us depart quickly, keep the aisle
8:29.
clear to allow other customers to continue boarding. Please only place larger bags in the overhead lockers and your smaller items under the seat in front of you.
Maglaland na tayo. 10:43. And gising na siya. Nakanap siyang very, very late. Ako din, nakanap ako. Huh? That was a good flight, yeah. Alright? Go, Kuya. Go, Kuya. Sarado na yung mga shops. Past 11 na kasi. Pipick upin pa natin yung car. Mag-run tayo ng car. Okay. Hintayin lang muna natin yung luggage natin. Punta pa talaga sila dito sa malapit kung saan binabagsak yung mga bagay. Alright, let the boys do it. They want it. Careful with your legs, my God. All good? Come on. Go, Baba. Daan pala kami ng skywalk. Ay, may pa-flower si ate, oh. Sana all. Sana all. Okay. Go. Go, kuya. Ay, what's this? It's not working, this one. Alright. Pagod kaya? Brisbane pala kami, guys. Lagi kong sinasabi Queensland. Brisbane pala yung ating land. Tapos magdadrive pa tayo. So na... Yeah, it's alright. No, it's alright. It's alright. Thank you. Tawagan muna ni Jan para sure. Drive pa tayo papuntang Maroochydore. An hour and a half ko yan. An hour. An hour drive. Yeah, an hour drive pa tayo. So, galing tayo doon. So, nakababa na tayo ng skywalk. Dito tayo dumaan. Hindi sila gumagana. So, hinihintay lang namin yung car. Ito si paring Andrew. Ang magpipick up sa amin. Tapos, doon pala namin pipick upin yung car. Ito naman si John. Mali yung information na binigay sa akin. Akala ko, dito na namin hihintayin yung car na rinent. Ito rin yung service namin nung nagpapinas tayo. Hindi sa Pinas, I mean nung punta tayo ng Melbourne Airport. Sila din yung nagsundo sa atin para You're good. Thank you. Tapos iniwan natin sa kanila yung car natin. Ang hawing. May sinasabi to. What did you say? I know. That's what I thought too. Para kami nasa Melbourne. Kasi ganito rin yung setup, ha?
We are in Melbourne.
No, we're not. We're in Brisbane. Dito kukunin ni Jan yung car key. So, ganito rin ang setup kasi sa Melbourne. Kay Andrew, kay paring Andrews. Tapos, pagdala yung car, dito kayo nagda-drive para i-park. Ha?
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.